YouTube, what's going on? We are back with another video. This is my boy Rashawn right here. He did a 10-week wolf after I chopped his long hair off. You guys remember my welcome back video? This is the same dude. We chopped him down and now he's 10 weeks out. And look at the growth on this. So we about to chop him down to a 1.5. I'm not gonna talk too much. I got this funky fresh beat on here. I found this old school joint and I really like it, so I'm gonna let it rock out. So I'm gonna not talk too much. I'm just gonna kind of jump in and out and talk about what I've got going on. But right now you can see I picked out half of it, or combed out half of it, so you can see the growth of it. That's why I did that. Plus I needed a thumbnail. You dig? So now we're gonna just take it and comb it out so that I can get a nice even cut, and then I'm gonna take it down with the 1.5. I am using the Babyliss. Again, this is an older video, so I am using the Babyliss cordless Gold FXs. I think I'm using my modified Slimline Pros, and I think I'm using my Wahl Retro T Cuts. I also will be enhancing his beard and his lineup, so look at that. Fresh set of waves. And for everybody that's about to say that I patched his waves, it's a thin spot. It's always right there. Boom. It's always there. I always taper into it so I can hide it. It's just a hair flaw that he has. He has a scar right there. So anyways, before y'all start hating in the comments, that's what that is. That's why he didn't freak out when I turned him towards the mirror. He didn't freak out. He already knows it's there. So we take him down to a 1.5, and then we're gonna taper him out. But I'm gonna let this beat rock out for a little bit, and then I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Alright, we got him chopped down to a 1.5 all over. So now we're going to start our taper process. I'm just brushing the hair down here so that I can get an even cut when I do my tapers. And we're about to start with the back tapering. We're going to get a little closer look at it right here. And you guys have seen my taper process. It's pretty simple, you know, blade closed, blade open, halfway open, all that stuff. So if you guys haven't seen my videos on how to do a taper or a fade, make sure you go watch those. But just gonna taper out the back here, and I'll let you guys follow along. Okay, so now that we have our back taper looking super crispy, you guys can tell by the sharp lines on the blurry fade, we got a crispy taper. Now we're going to move to the side of the head, and we are going to apply the same technique that we did on the back straight to the side of the temple, and I'll show you guys how I fade it into that light spot and kind of hide that flaw in his hair. So let's check that out. Alright, so as you guys can tell right here, the taper is looking super blurry. The beard's faded in, the line's super sharp. You guys can see what I mean by hide that kind of weak spot and create the taper with it. So that's my way of hiding that flaw. Now I'm going to come over to the right side and do the exact same thing I just did on the left side. And I'm actually going to create the flaw on the left side, on the right side, to match the left side to kind of balance out the haircut. So it's that's why you see me taking my 1.5 against the grain up in the temple area. That's because I'm trying to recreate the same thing I did on the other side, but without having the flaw on this side. So let's watch this taper, and then we're gonna move on to the lineup. Okay, so right here I'm just putting the finishing touches up on the lineup before I use the Tomb 45 beard and lineup enhancement spray. This is not a semi-permanent dye. This is an actual product that's designed to stain the skin. Unlike semi-permanent hair color, this is safe for the skin, and it's already ready to go. No pre-mixing, nothing like that. You just put it straight in the airbrush. I'm using the Beam Team cordless right here, of course. And look how easy it just flows and comes out and applies. It looks super natural. This is my favorite enhancement product to use at the moment. I've actually literally just ordered 3 more bottles of it because I love it that much. So same thing on this side. Just gonna use my old business cards for my lineup guides, and then just spray it on there. And it is alcohol based, so it won't. It's like shampoo resistant, so it's like water resistant, so they can actually go home and shower, and it's still gonna last and still look laser sharp, beam sharp, you know. So make sure you guys pick this stuff up, tomb45.com. I'm gonna be doing a video on how to actually load the gun and use it and remove it, or you know, how to use it, you know. So that's gonna come up soon, so you guys can see how super crispy he looks with it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of fiber in there just for the video. I had actually talked to him about it if he wanted it or not. He said sure, why not. So I'm just using some Topics. I lay my hairspray down first. I use the Trespae number 5 free spray, lay that down, and then I hit the fibers right over it. Then I can reline it up. I use my card still so that I don't have any excess fiber, that I don't have to clean his forehead off with the razor a whole bunch, because a lot of times that irritates the skin. So that's the way I do it. Hit it one more time with the free spray, and then hit it with the blow dryer, and he's good to go. So this is pretty much the haircut. My camera didn't record me doing his beard for some reason, so the next clip is just going to be me cleaning up his beard. I'm applying it on the back of the taper just to sharpen up those lines a little bit. And then yeah, like I said, my camera didn't record me doing his beard for some reason, so the next clip is just me finishing up his beard, just his mustache, and then his soul patch area. And then we'll show you guys the finished cut and get you guys up on out of here. I appreciate y'all watching today. I'm gonna let the beat continue to rock out, and then I will see you guys on the next video. If you're not a part of the team, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and join the team, man. I'd love to have you guys aboard Team Teasy. If you guys liked the video, drop a comment below. Hit the like button for your boy. If you didn't like it, drop another comment below. Anyway, just let me know. And if you guys want to see any specific videos, let me know. I do got a lot of videos in the chamber right now, ready to go, or not ready to go, but ready to shoot. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna have some dope content dropping soon. So make sure you guys join the team. Can't even talk right now, but appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teasin, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.